Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can delete your BeReal account. So firstly open up your BeReal account, then click at your profile icon at the top right corner, then again click at the three dots at the top right corner, then scroll down and click on contact us. So over there you will find the option called delete my account. Just click on that. Now in here you can choose the appropriate option for you and click yes I am sure. So now as you can see, I will be logged out of my account in 3 seconds and the account will be deleted on 1st November. So that's how you can delete your BeReal account. So in any case, if you want to cancel your deletion, what you can do is simply log back in within 15 days and your account will be again reactivated. Just simply click continue, enter the details. So as you can see, if I log in back, within 15 days, I am able to actually reactivate back my account. So in order to reactivate, just simply click on reactivate. And that's it. Your account is back to normal. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.